Traders, I want to show you an incredibly simple strategy on scalping / day trading the euro dollar. All we need to do is wait for a couple of things. One, the alert fires. Up here we've got an Aussie dollar. There's a pound Aussie. We come into the chart and what we want to see is the 15-minute chart here. Look what this is giving us. This is the alert here. We want to see this solid green bar. We want to see these bars predominantly green, preferably trading off a green zone. And this is our point of interest, this break. Then we go up into a 3-minute or a 1-minute, and I'll show you what this looks like. First up, let's have a look at this. See what we've got here. These are our indicators, and you can gain access to these. The link is below. Now, this green zone is a key support level. The red zone is a key resistance level. Look what happens, it trades down into it. There's a stop run. We get the alert. The green alert is the one we're looking for when these bars below are showing green and we run into a green zone like this. Let's mark up our point of interest right here on this break. Then we go into a 3 or a 1 minute. Let's have a look and see what it looks like on the 3M. Point of interest is back here. This is our point of interest. We had the breakout on the 15-minute. What we're looking for is these alerts to go off on the 3 and the 1M. And let's introduce this indicator here as well. So once this main alert fires, the 15-minute, for example, okay, we come into the 3-minute and we can set these alerts. So we just sit back and wait for the opportunities to come in. That's it. Given that this is green, we're looking for the opportunity on every one of these pullbacks here, lower time frame. Now, what will happen with this particular alert is over here, it's going to read as, it's going to say bearish price swing alert. Okay, that's what you're going to see over here. And it's telling us that this bearish price swing is more or less complete. Then we go in. This is our opportunity. So that's the alert. So it's just a matter of setting the alerts and waiting for them to come in and we take the trades. And the other alert that you can set, this is a 3-minute chart, remember, is the triangle. You buy on every pullback. While this is trending up on the higher time frame, you can build your positions on the lower time frame. So this could be worth $100 risk per trade if you go in with a correct position size, and we've got videos on that. And depending on your risk reward, I mean, look at the outcome here. We're going in on every one of these signals. There's a green signal there. There's a pullback here and a green signal. Okay, we can take these. And I mean, what we do is on the 3-minute is we look for these pullbacks down in here especially. And a breakout of the cloud on the 3-minute. Let me just show you one more thing with this indicator here. And if you're not sure where to enter, have a look at this. See this swing low to swing high. See this little grey zone? This is an imbalance right there. In other words, there's nothing left and right. With this candle, the imbalance is filled here. What we can do is place our buy midway through the imbalance. Have a look here. Well, we missed that one. Here, swing low, swing high. See the imbalance, this little grey shaded zone? We place our buy order in there. Okay, so we'll just exit the 3M and come back to the 15M here. And look at this. So on the 3-minute, you've entered multiple times throughout this run. And we're heading into red zone. That's our target. And, or you might want to close all, given that we're running into a combination of that's actually a previous daily, and I think there's a weekly in there as well. Now this red dot's flashing, that's fine. We always wait for the next candle for that to be confirmed. But if you see that red dot either flashing or confirmed like that, close all in the money. I want to share this with you. I have a VIP group. I'm sending daily trade signals in with entry stops, targets. Check out my website, and on the store link, guys, honestly, I think there's a need for this in the world. I love sharing what I have. I don't want to give it away for free. And all I'm asking is you shout me lunch once a month and you have access to our VIP channel and Telegram, the TradingView indicators, and all my trading tutorials. So with that, I look forward to hearing from you and I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next video.